Hello children, today's topic is all about question words. Let's get started. Question words. It is a function word used to ask a question. They are sometimes called WH words because in English most of them start with WH. Kids, do you know why do we ask question? When we want to know about someone or something, when we look for an explanation. So, let's see what are the question words. The first question word is who, asking about a person. For example, who is that? That is Peppa. The next question word is what, when we want to know about a specific object, idea or action. For example, what time is it? It is 8 o'clock. We ask why when we want to know about the reason or need an explanation. For example, why are you late? Because I missed the bus. The question word when is used to know about the time or the occasion. For example, when do you go to school? At 7 a.m. The question where to know about the place or the position. For example, where are you from? I'm from India. Which to know about the choices. For example, which one is your car? The red one. Whom, asking about a person. For example, whom did you meet yesterday? I met my grandfather. Whose, it refers to possession or the ownership. For example, whose book is this? That is my book. How, to ask about the people, the way events and things are done. For example, how was your lunch? It was delicious. How many? It refers to a quantity, countable quantity. For example, how many eggs are there? There are 3 eggs. How much? It again refers to the quantity but the uncountable one. For example, how much milk is in the fridge? We are left with just 1 bottle of milk. How long? To know about the duration. For example, how long did you stay at the beach? We stayed for almost 4 hours. How often? To know about the frequency. For example, how often do you go to gym? I go twice a week. How far? To know about the distance. For example, how far is your house? My house is just 1 kilometer away. How old? To know the age. For example, how old is your brother? He is 9 years old. Bye bye kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching.